Hello students, in this video we will discuss the remaining topics of fuzzy relation, that is operations on fuzzy relation, properties and fuzzy composition. So the operations that we perform on fuzzy relations are the same. We will start with union of the two relations, which will return the maximum of the mu r of x comma y and mu s of x comma y, and intersection will come with minimum of the two relations r and s, and complement is 1 minus mu r of x comma y. Containment, if our relation r is a subset of s, then mu r of x comma y is less than or equal to mu s of x comma y. And inverse, if we want to find the inverse of a relation r inverse y of y comma x, here the pairs are y comma x, so the inverse will return r of x comma y for all pairs y belonging to x, y comma x belonging to Cartesian product y and x. Next, projection mu r projection y of x comma y will return maximum of mu r of x comma y. These are the operations on fuzzy relation: union, intersection, complement, containment, inverse and projection. Next, the properties of fuzzy relation include commutativity, associativity, distributivity, identity, idempotency, and finally De Morgan's law. Fuzzy composition. Let us say we have a fuzzy set A and it is defined on the universe X, and another fuzzy set B on universe Y. So we can define a fuzzy relation R as the Cartesian product of A and B. Since these A and B are on universe set X and Y respectively, we can say that the Cartesian product A cross B is a subset of the Cartesian product of the universe set X and Y. So we can define R is a subset on the Cartesian product of X and Y. Then the membership function is given by mu r of x comma y, where r is the Cartesian product of A and B, as the minimum of mu a of x comma mu b of y. The first fuzzy composition technique is max-min composition. Let us say we have a relation R which is defined on the Cartesian space x cross y, and S be the another fuzzy relation on the Cartesian space y cross z. If we want to find the max-min composition of R of x comma y and S of y comma z, we will represent it as mu t of x comma z. Okay, this is R composition S of x comma z, which is the maximum of the minimum values of mu r of x comma y comma mu s of y comma z for all x and z belonging to x and z respectively. So we will consider the maximum of the minimum. And in the case of a min-max composition, same, we are taking relation R and relation S. So here it will be minimum of the maximum of mu r of x comma y and mu s of y comma z. Next is the max product composition. So we will find the product first and we will take the maximum of that. That's all about fuzzy composition techniques. Next is properties of fuzzy composition. R composition S is similar to S composition R. R composition S whole inverse equal to S inverse composition R inverse. R composition S, then composition M is similar to R composition of S composition M. Thank you.